Want to make your PowerPoint slide look dynamic, where one image smoothly transforms into another just like magic? In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a beautiful interactive look using only the Morph transition. No animation, no hyperlinks, just pure PowerPoint creativity. Let's start the video. I have inserted 5 images here and set them all to aspect ratio 1:1 to keep a perfect square shape. Arrange them neatly in one row or grid. This will be our base slide. Next, go to Shape, Rectangle and draw it below the image. Change the color from Shape Fill and set Shape Outline, No Outline. Right click, select Edit Text and type your subtitle. Duplicate it using Ctrl D to add a short description below. You can also change the rectangle colors to match your design theme. Now, select both rectangles and duplicate them 4 times using Ctrl D. Change the colors of each pair one by one to create visual variety. Once done, select all rectangles, go to Arrange, send to back to keep them behind the images. Duplicate the first slide. Select all picture and rectangles, go to Arrange, select Align Top. This keeps everything perfectly aligned. Duplicate the slide again and move it to the third position. Now, highlight only the first image and shape and align everything else to the top. This will make the first image pop during morph. Do the same process for the remaining slides. Each slide highlights a different images by keeping it center or larger and align others at the top. Now, select all slides, go to the Transition tab, click on Morph and watch the magic happen. Each image and shape smoothly transition into the next, giving a professional cinematic flow all without a single animation. And that's it. You have just created a clean, professional morph animation in PowerPoint, perfect for portfolios, team intros, or product slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Akshrika Tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks every week.